and welcome back to my channel. So if you can't already tell, in today's video we're going to be doing a full face Fenty Beauty ASMR. I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time, so here we go, let's get started. So I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Soft Silk Primer. Just going to take a few pumps of this. So next up, we're going to be going in with foundation, and I am in the shade 240. So I'm just going to use a blender instead. Don't forget the neck. Foundation done. So now we're going to go in with concealer. Nice and bouncy. So next up we're going in with powder. Now it's time to blend it all into place. So next up is bronzer. Time for some eyebrows, guys. Oh, that was a good one, wasn't it? So now I'm going to go in with the brand new Fenty Beauty highlighter Cognac Candy. This is what she looks like. Gorgeous. So guys, I've got the snap shadows here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sparkly. Do you think people masturbate to things like this? Oh. I see you. Teeny bit of mascara. Oh. That's a good one. Oh. Oh. I better not do that too much because it'll dry out. Look at that lash. Yeah. So guys, it's time for a lip and I'm gonna go in with Pretty Please, which is a gloss bomb. So get ready for this. Oh, did you hear that? Oh. 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 Alright guys, so lastly, setting spray. Oh. Oh. That one was my favourite. Beautiful. Okay guys, so there you have it. My full face Fenty Beauty ASMR video. I didn't go into too much detail about the products because I wanted it to not be just me talking. But I might do another one of these videos with some other products, or if you want me to go into more detail about some products, then I might do that. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. Cheeky devils. See you in my next video.